I've been very, very good.
Okay, good. So I'm sure your grapevine must have already reached you.
Yes, it has.
Okay, so good. I mean, I want to confirm what you have heard rumors about. We are looking at, arranging one more offsite, and this time the offsite is for the second level of people. I mean, second level in terms of, sorry, but hierarchically, you are not looking at the top management. We're looking at the senior management this time. So you have always done great job. So please go ahead, find out all the details that you can find out, which property, where, what activity. I mean, typically the situation is same. We have roughly the same budget, same 2 days, 3 days, 2 nights kind of an offsite. You know how many people are there, which is also everything is kind of thing. So you have been given budgets per person. So make, get shortlist the properties, shortlist everything that you have to do, and then send it to me or come back. Let's discuss.
I mean, every time I book it, so you never ask me to come back to you or show it to you. Any reason this time you want me to come and show it to you?
यार हम भी कुछ मतलब पार्टिसिपेट कर लें, हम भी कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट कर लें. आप तो हर बार कर ही लेते हो.
हाँ, but it's coming like a surprise because past at least 7 to 8 such,
No, no,
I.
I don't get me wrong. I said right in the beginning, you have always done commendable job. In fact, this is one activity for which I get a lot of brownies and appreciation from my peer group, from even the top management, the directors and all. They've been extremely appreciative about also, in terms of value for money. There is absolutely no challenge. It's not, come on, why are you taking it like this? Because I'm asking you to, show me your shortlisted things and all, and I will tell you. Why are you taking like this? It's just that I want to also contribute, participate.
Is it because I'll be part of this?
Now you are really getting into, unnecessary details.
Mm,
Okay.
uh,
Okay. So we stopped this discussion between Rakesh and Amrita. Now you have one more handout with you, right? This was the case study. There was a handout with you. You have it. There was a colored handout.
Yeah.
So second page of that, you have D1, D2, D3 for D4. And within D1, D2, D3, D4, there are two levels. So you have a high D1, low D1, low D2, high D2. I am asking each one of you to, if supposing these were cards, physical cards, and if you are Rakesh, which of these cards will you play? You have 8 cards. Do you get it? Which card will you play with Amrita? Think about it, take a minute, choose a card, write that card in front of you, make a commitment to it. As we discussed, don't change it, then only you will learn it. In physical environment, we would have actually got you to, keep that card aside and would have then discussed with you. So same thing we are saying here. Imagine that you have 8 cards of these color coded cards. Tell me which color would you pick for if you were Rakesh in this situation with Amrita. You have the entire case study with you, Amrita's background, Rakesh situation, everything.
Vijay, is it based on the discussion that you had, or me being Rakesh, what would I do?
No, it based on, I mean, Rakesh was also having the discussion in the same situation. So you may continue to, deal with exactly the way Rakesh was playing the card. You may not agree with Rakesh and you say, no, I think if I was Rakesh, I would have played this card. Go by the case study print that you have in hand rather than what you saw.
Okay.
If you agree with what you saw, then you play the card or change the card, whatever you wish to. What will help you to choose a card is the script which is mentioned in the 4th column in that handout. For each color coded card, we have given you a little bit of script there for you to appreciate the implication of picking up the card that you plan to pick up.
So we can pick only one card, right? Either D1, D2, D3 or D4.
Of course, you can pick up one card, but you can change the card. I mean, when the conversation goes on. But right now, I'm asking you with which card will you start the conversation?
Okay.
Good question. So I have this screen in front of me. I'm going in a round robin manner on the screen. Rahul, just mention the card. Low D3, high D3, low high D2, low D2, like that. Light blue, dark blue, whatever way you want to say. Don't explain, just tell me the card.
Yeah, Vijay, it's low D1.
Low D1. Okay. Subhash? Oh, you guys need some more time?
Yeah, Vijay.
Okay. Shiva, whoever is ready.
I'll go with low D3.
Okay.
I'll go with high D2.
Okay.
High
For me, it is low D2.
Okay.
I'll go with high D4.
High D4.
High D3. Sorry, high D3.
High D3. Okay.
Yeah, myself low D2.
Low D2.
Low D2.
Yeah.
Low D2.
So Vijay, myself, low D2.
Low D2.
Vijay Deepak, low D3.
Okay.
Low D2.
Low D3 as well. Yeah, it's low D3.
I'm a little surprised. Why has nobody gone to the green color? This
Low D4.
low D4. I hope it has not been influenced by my question.
No.
I'm not giving you any guarantee that this would be correct just because I asked.
No. I was about to say, and we started speaking at the same point.
Okay, fine. So, okay, then I'll ask you only, Hardik, why low D4?
Low D4 actually says like fair level of freedom on decision. So as I forgot the name, what
Amrita.
the character was. Amrita has experience on before experience on, and Rakesh has been told that what we say, like the senior management also appreciated the way the arrangements were made. So yeah, so it should be a fair decision, and it should Amrita should get a freedom for decision making.
Absolutely, point taken. I mean, I'm not saying correct or wrong, but yes, I've understood your point.
Yep.
Anybody else who is on green color?
Yes, myself.
Huh?
D3. Sorry, D4. Low D4.
Which one? Low D4. My same question to you again. Why?
Yeah, actually, since Amrita is going from past 7 to 8 years, so she is more capable to work on that, and she is more reliable on that. Now, since she is doing on that from a long time, so she knows better than anyone that how it should be handled. So I think she should have that potential to work on that.
Okay.
That's it from me.
Good point. So, I think these two gentlemen seem to be very clear, Hardik and Kushal, about, she deserves to be, she's a peak performer. She is, in that category, in a peak performer category. I hope all of you agree. Has always done well, is showing good skills, good willingness, everything else. And therefore, they believe that it is the green color that they would go with. So, I'm going to people, I mean, especially people who are like low D2, which is quite a contrast to low D2. Why would you play low D2? I think, Anaga, you had said low D2, if I remember correctly.
Yes, correct.
Why would you do that? Again, I'm saying why, simple question.
Because you even need to analyze the situation, right? Just with her high performance, it would be difficult for Rakesh.
Okay. So anybody else who has not given green, would somebody try and give me a reason why have you? Because in my mind, this person deserves green completely. She's peak performer. She's demonstrated consistently the willingness and the skillness, has consistently performed, and even outperformed the expectations of everybody. Why have you not given green to her?
Vijay, I have given low D2.
Sorry.
Sorry, Anand. Yeah. Low D2 because, see, when I read the case study, you have a hidden agenda behind it. You want everything, the budget and everything is same, but you still have a hidden agenda saying that because of your own reasons that you want to get involved and close it from your perspective. That's the reason.
Okay. Anybody else?
Yeah, again, like from the case study, because of the political reasons, like since senior management has already gone for the outing, and he doesn't want like it should be like better than that, so wants to control the outcome of this activity. So that's the reason only for this this particular case I've selected D2.
Absolutely. I think you guys are absolutely right. Now, frankly, whether it is high D2 or low D3 and all, that doesn't matter that much. That's not what we are discussing in so much of detail, But what I hope you are all agreeing and understanding that as an individual, she deserves green. And you remember we discussed about you will have to be flexible both with respect to the individual and also the situation. Rakesh, I'm sure you would be able to assume it that all the previous times he has treated her in green. Like Rohit very clearly said that there is another reason here. Rakesh, for reasons now, correct or incorrect, but a lot of organizations have this issue that, not the same place, etc. So for that reason, I really love the word that you used in this context, Rohit. He wants to control the outcome. You do the entire process, you go through this entire process. So what we have said here is, if you see here, is the low D3. Again, there's not such way. This time you would want Amrita to explore all possible recommendations and you would like to take the final decision. The situation is particularly tricky since Amrita herself is one of the participants of this proposed offsite. And if you have read her brief, she wants to really, go even to a better place.